Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along as I juggle my real estate career, camp hosting, and the freedom of living a nomadic lifestyle. It's all about balance, and I'm excited to show you just how I make all this work. Me and my brother, we are on the way to
Atlanta, South Carolina.
To get us a listing. We're going to put the sign down and the lockbox down and sell us a house. Me and Ranger needed to sleep in today. We were tired. It's a Sunday, so sometimes we'll sleep in like this. I see your eye blinking. Hey, Ranger, let's get up. Hey, let's get up, buddy. Of course, I always take time to enjoy the simple things like a nice cup of hot coffee and a fried egg in the mornings before my day starts. So what do y'all think about my little frying pan? It's about the size of my hand. It works great and I love it. Now I do like hot coffee with my cream, a lot of cream. I usually start my host duties in the mornings about 9 o'clock. Woo, but it's still so cold. It is 30 degrees right now, and it was, I think, like 24 last night. So, as you can see, the sun's out a little bit. So, I have all my little peppers and stuff that I planted by my window. And just waiting for it to warm up a little bit so that I can go and clean bathrooms and get started for the day. What is it that you want, Ranger? Do you notice everything's frozen? See the ice hanging off the rag? Water's all frozen. This is just a little bit of a glimpse into life of how we balance it all. Working in real estate, managing camp hosting duties, and embracing life, living on wheels. It's not always easy, but I wouldn't trade this freedom for anything. If you're thinking about making a change or just curious about this lifestyle, I'd love to have a comment from you. Just because you live on wheels don't mean that you can't plant vegetables, and these plants will be moved to bigger pots so that I can put them outside while I'm here pretty soon as the weather warms up a little bit. Oh. Oh my goodness. I should have not had it so close to the edge of the table. So when Ranger went to bring me his toy, he knocked over my pepper plant. So, but that's okay. We'll put the dirt back in here and we'll pop another seed in there. Meanwhile, I'll try to get all this dirt up. It's actually even in my brush. Yuck. So, yeah, it's okay. Wish I knew where the seed was. That would be cool. I could put it back in there. Just pop another one in there. Pepper. Stop. You already knocked my plant over. Dang, I can't even open this thing. You already did that. Look, you have dirt on my seat. Now I've got to get it up. You made a mess. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so what I'm going to do, a little hole here. Cover it up real good. Pick the dirt out the seat. Put it back in there. Man, now I gotta clean this up. Probably have to go out and get some more dirt. Oh, Ranger. Look at what you did. I know it was an accident, but look, Mama's hands are all dirty now. You sorry? I know, baby. So living in a small space, sometimes you do knock things over. So you have to be really organized, and, accidents do happen. But the advantage is, like, there's dirt on this cushion. I just walk right outside since we live in the woods and just return it right back to the earth. I'm not sure where I got these little pots, but they work great. Most of my little plant pots I'll get from Habitat for Humanity. What you do is you go and donate something. They give you $5 off. You walk in and you come out with a couple of flower pots for free. And I can't forget my little travel buddy, my little adventure buddy. One of the biggest perks of this lifestyle is having more time to spend with my dog, whether we're exploring new places or just hanging out at camp. I love sharing this journey with him. Man, it's so cool. A part of me just wanted to clean the men's room and then go back later and clean the women's, but I just kept trucking it and got it all done. But it is freezing. My fingers are like ice. Try not to hit a tree. Now I'm on the way to the office, the park office, to see what arrivals and departures I have for today. Once I get out of the woods. Oh, it's going to be a chilly ride to the office. Woo! For lunch, it's going to be homemade rice and Boston butt, cooked right outside. Ranger, my dog, he has no off button. He just wants to play all the time, and I love him so much. So I hooked up my toilet for the first time last week, and it flooded from the bottom. So then I found out that my toilet's no good. So I've asked my brother, who's doing this for me, to come and take that toilet up, get it out, and I would like to just put a composting toilet down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more adventures. Hope to see you again right down the road on the next adventure. Ranger and I set out for an adventure today with a really good friend who loves the outdoors just as much as we